Hi guys, I'm Priyanka and this is Speak to Win 3.0 Day 4. My today's topic is Go with the Flow. Anugachatu Pravaham. Namaskar. Don't worry, I'm not going to teach Sanskrit. By saying go with the flow, I just mean that you should stop expecting things and assuming what's going to happen. Tomorrow is a mystery. Yesterday was history. What you have is today. Start living in today. Do not let yourself affected by others. You should know what you have to do. What is your role in this course of time? Just try to live just for yourself. You will feel you have been missing out so many things. You don't have to get jealous of others who are having something more than you. You have your own pace of time. You will get everything, but you have to work for yourself. Going with the flow doesn't mean that you have to sit idle and wait for what's going to happen for you. No, you have to work for yourself, and you should, but without crying for the past or overthinking for the future. Live in today. Let it happen what's going to be happen. Be ready what comes next. You don't have to be paranoid about anything. You just make your own stand and follow your path. You will be successful one day. Thank you.